Hey there, young friends. Uncle Vinny here. I'm not here to talk about my past life in the Mafia, but about a new hustle. Print-on-demand merch. That's right. You're gonna learn today. Now, before you dive headfirst into this world, let me give you some hard-earned advice. In the Mafia, we thought everything had to be big, flashy, or expensive. So, you might think having the coolest designs or the trendiest products would bring you success. But trust me, that's not how it works in this game. In fact, it's a one-way ticket to failure and a whole lot of wasted cash. What should you do instead? Well, you've got to think smart and practical. Concentrate on what people actually want. Simple designs, clever phrases, and items they can't find in the regular shops. Forget trying to compete with Gucci. Think unique, think personal. And most importantly, remember, it's not about what you like, it's about what your customers want. Now, it's time for the meat and potatoes, the step-by-step guide to success. First off, you gotta choose your platform. Now, don't rush this step. Each platform has its perks and quirks. Merch by Amazon has a built-in audience. Printful offers neat integrations for your existing online shop. Redbubble's got a cool artist community vibe. So, do your homework, pick the one that suits you best. Then, decide what you're gonna sell. We're talking about merchandise here. So we've got t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, even baby onesies, you name it. Now, you might think, hey, Jimmy, why not sell everything? But here's another piece of advice. Start small, and as you get the hang of it, expand your range. Up next, it's time to create or source your designs. This ain't a time to show off your Picasso skills. Remember, keep M simple, keep M catchy. Less is more in this business, my friends. And don't fret if you're not a whiz with design tools. There are plenty of talented freelancers out there who can make your ideas come to life for a fair price. Once you got your designs ready, it's time to list your products. Write a catchy description, set your prices, and bingo, you're in business. Now, pricing is a delicate art. You don't want to go too low and cut into your profit, but you don't want to scare customers away with sky-high prices either. So, do some market research, see what your competitors are doing, and set a fair price. It might seem daunting at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's as easy as pie. Now, get out there and start hustling. The right way.